Wanted to make an eye candy, but landed up making an eyesore. I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Interiors, and today I'm going to talk about common mistakes in interior designing. Not everybody is a doctor. I had been dreaming of my house for years. I could actually smell the aroma, feel the curtains, and the cold floor beneath my feet. But when I actually started making the house, the ground reality was very, very different. Too many contractors to coordinate, too much of material available in the market to choose from flooring to ceiling, electrical, plumbing, furniture, furnishing, highlighting, paint, accessories, and many, many more. The list is exhausting. I think some things are best left to the professionals. The first common mistake a lot of people make is by doing it themselves. It is always good to hire a professional. Secondly, I think over enthusiasm creates a lot of clutter. So when you browse or shop around, you will like a lot of things, and not everything can really fit into your residence. A common mistake is to overdo and make the house really cramped. The whole beauty gets bogged down by too many focal points, making it less appealing and less functional. I think thirdly, the right light. Light, I think, plays a very, very important role in the ability to perceive the world around us. The lighting system plays a very critical role in how we perceive the space, and it can also influence the way in which how we act in that space. Lighting can affect our performance, our mood, morale, safety, security, and decisions also. So the first step in producing the right light design is to ask what the space is being used for. The lighting effect can make or break the design. While bedroom or living room will require a little bit of mood light, a little bit of drama of dark and light, the pathways and study need greater illuminance. I think good lighting can enhance the beauty, while a bad lighting can really make it very, very sad. It's good to have a source of natural light as much as possible. Fourthly, I'll say lack of intended focal point. Every design needs a focal point and something of visual interest. The focal point is usually a point where the eye will flow and struck. So this leads the eye flow and then it directs the eye to move around. So a good focal point in the interior is a focal point which gently flows to the rest of the room. Generally, people tend to overclutter and even lack the focal points, leaving the eye flow just very destructive. I think it's a luxury to have an outside inside. It is always good to have an extended view of the room. However good your music or your AC will be, but it just cannot be as rejuvenating as a morning cup of tea with those sound of birds chirping, silence of the wind blowing, and the smell of the freshness. It is, I think, equally important to design your balconies or gardens as you are designing your interiors. Somehow, we just tend to forget our nature also. One of the largest threats we are facing today is mass consumerization. I think we buy, we consume, we use more natural resources than are required. And we definitely omit more toxins during those manufacturing. However, I think small changes can make a very big difference. From organic paints, organic mattress, organic bedding, organic non-toxic cleaners, the options are available in the market. But somehow, I think it's by choice that you choose to use them. Incorporating solar water heaters, rainwater harvesting, double glazed windows to reduce the running cost of the AC are some few steps that you can incorporate while you are constructing. I think reduce, reuse, and recycle is a mantra. I think it's known to all. I'll add on by saying getting carried away by the facts. Designs keep coming and going. Purple may be in today, green tomorrow. But you just can't repainting your house over and over again. If you desire a clean, fresher look, then remember that keep it simple, silly. So seemingly easy yet so difficult to achieve. While we do the interiors, we just tend to forget our safety. Safety has to be first. It is not a point which can be missed in interior designing. Some basics have to be followed while designing your residence or commercial places. Installing fire extinguishers, even in residences, is just a must. Sharp edges in furniture, too slippery floors, unstable designs with danger of falling with even the slightest pull are an absolute no-no. The designs have to be safe for the inhabitants, be it kids or the elderly. I think lack of updation is also very, very critical. There are a lot of new products available in the market, like home automation, central music systems, security systems. It is always good to incorporate these products at the time of construction than running loose wires after the interior is completed. I think lastly, I'll add on by saying the power of budgeting. Take a budget and stick to it from day one. By thinking what will be your affordability today, it is not necessary to go overboard and then make your purchases. So budgeting and planning at the first stage and going step by step is something that will actually help you achieve your goal. Hi, I'm Sapna Agarwal. I'm the Creative Director of Ansa Interiors. Stay tuned to our channel, which talks about design discussion of interiors. And if you want any interior designing consultancy and architectural design consultancy assistance, then do get in touch with us at www.ansainteriors.com. Thank you. Bye for the day.